यो थाकेछ है पुरा थाकेको रहेछ यो Where did you find this?
In kitchen.
What was it doing?
Flying.
Come closer. Flying?
Mm.
Come. No. It's okay. Keep it there.
It was flying inside.
Flying inside?
Mm.
Okay. Okay, so this side. Sparrow. It's tired. Give it water to drink. Okay. And let it fly afterwards.
Okay, sir. I think it's getting ready.
Okay. What a beautiful bird, isn't it? Sparrow. Sparrow.
Sir, I think this has net inside kitchen.
Might be, So, first give it water to drink, okay? And let it fly inside only.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay, little sparrow. Take rest. What a beautiful bird and what a beautiful background.
What if it gets scared?